today I'm gonna be looking through all of my bins to see how many fidgets I've printed, and I'll show you some of them and how many of each of them I have. Now I got the 3 bins that I picked out that had some stuff in it. Now let's dump it out. This lid's kind of hard. Well, okay. Does this count as a fidget? Ooh, this one's gonna be fun. This one's cool. Cute, but not a fidget. Floppy disk. Lego N. Snowflake. School pictures. Another cute thing. Craft fair. It's fine. Unbuilt parts. Oh, off of Fort McMeow. That they have a cat house named Fort McMeow. Print test. Pterodactyl. Random pieces. Poop. This you can find on Maker World. I made it. This is sad. I would have shown this one, but pass-throughs. Heart. Clip. Whistle. This Benchy is supposed to go wrong. Caught. Pikachu. That's where the broken magnets ended up. Crumpled cup. Teeny tiny little Nerf gun. Not sponsored by Nerf. And it's a Mark Rober gun. Not really a gun. Airplane. Look at these fidget rings. I'm a cool guy. They're kind of clicky. I've sorted them into piles. This pile is the clicky, this is the flappy, this is the spinny, and then this is the pass-through, and then whatever you call these things. Okay, so let's start with the clicky stuff. I guess I'll take these little rings out first. So they're pretty clicky and they spin, but they're still pretty quiet. This is a clicky switch. I think it was one of the first things that was 3D printed on the P1S. These are little clips, not really fidgets. That's why I said, does this count as a fidget in the start? And they can bite each other. Yeah. This is the last thing we printed in this. This is the last thing we printed in a green filament. In this green filament. And this is the little clicky heart. It's really satisfying. And then we got one last thing here. This doesn't really click, but it's like a little joystick thing, and it kind of clicks when you put it at the bottom, but that's only when you do it hard, and like scrape it on the bottom. Okay, so now we got the flippy thingies. I think this is called like NASA mesh. NASA, don't sue me. I think this is called NASA mesh. I didn't make it, so. It feels really good in your hands. I had a craft fair and I brought these to it, and these are the flippy flappies. That's why I called this category flippy. Whee! And they're really satisfying, and they can do they can go through themselves. Is this smaller version? They can go through themselves, and they also can make a square, which is my favorite. Sorry if you can't see it. I'm just and they can make a square like that. And then this I got from someone on Maker World, but it was just a giant cube, and it was just a giant cube, and we actually made it into a heart. But the person that made it doesn't allow remixes. If you watch any of my other videos, I've showed this a lot. I think this was printed on the Elegoo. And then this we just designed. It's not on Maker World or anything. It's just, it doesn't work too well. Okay, next is the spinny. I probably should have had those spinning rings in this one. I don't know who made this one, but I know who made these two. It's by G-Man on Maker World. This one, the green part glows in the dark. If you watched my glow filament video, you know that I also have blue, and also for some reason, I just checked today because I posted a video today, but you won't be seeing this video on the same day. I actually noticed that the glow filament video is the most popular one. This one, it's just pretty nice. It's pretty loud, but it's also small, and I like that. I like that it's small. It's like it has some heft to it. This I don't know who made, but it might be one of my favorites out of all of these. You can spin this part. The inner part spins, and it spins like this, so then it has like, it almost looks like the inner part is floating. And also it does just spin normally. And these are all loose. Well, but you can't take them out. Now, let's go on to the last group. Okay, you know how I said this was our last group? That's because I combined the two groups at the end. This is a little heart thing from RJ Designs on Maker World. Can't get it perfectly lined up. These were actually printed on the Elegoo. Oh, it's a little tough because of that, but it's a little tough to spin, but it still works. This one is a little better. These are all by RJ Designs. They're pretty satisfying. And my favorite thing to do with them is you take it and you go like, okay, so here is all of the fidgets that I could find. Hope you had a fun time watching this video and have fun printing.